Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This police officer parked right on the tracks and forgot that there may be a slight chance that a train may be crossing.
Turn around. Keep your hands up. Keep coming back.
What's going on? Why? What?
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, hurt me?
No, ma'am, but can I please get my cell phone?
We'll get your cell phone in a second. Is there any weapons in the car?
Ready?
No, ma'am, there's nothing on.
There's no weapons in the car? Okay.
Everybody out in the car. Come on.
What's going on? Ma'am, what's going on?
I'll tell you in a second. Take a seat.
I'm so confused. Can I get
Take a
my
seat.
cell phone?
I will get your cell phone for you. Take a seat.
She could have, because when I was behind her, she was driving slow enough.
Yeah?
So she could have tossed something, but I literally
Tossed it out the window?
She could have out that window, but
A few moments later.
who is that? Hart?
No, that's Tom check. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god.
Move your car. Stay back.
It's a 346 patrol car was just hit by a train. Dispatch up to 346. Did us medical emergent. The suspect was in the vehicle that was hit by the train.
Watch the fence.
If you're going to run a red light, why do it at peak traffic? Who reverses without even looking at any mirror or backup
On the
camera?
horizon. AJ reads galleys, returns emails, answers the phone, and even writes a shelf talker or two. At night, after the store is closed,
Fucking
he
idiot.
starts running again.
Oh, God.
There are many challenges to long-distance running, but one of the greatest is the question of where to put one's house keys.
$1 million.
A truck ran a red
Harvard's
light,
endowment
so since I
alone
drive a
is
truck,
10
I
times
must
bigger.
follow.
For NPR News, I'm Juma Say in
Wall Street today. This is NPR.
Live from the Texas newsroom, I'm Gail DeVotter.
Is this a real police officer driving an undercover car? Imagine pulling off to the shoulder to avoid a collision, but you still get hit from behind.
But Trump is also popular among the not libertarian parts of the right. Trump is also pretty popular among...
This was painful to watch. You can tell the driver locked their brakes.
Oh my gosh, what's he gonna do? He's an older guy. That's so...
This is probably my favorite clip of all time. These truck drivers should be friends. They get along so well together. Watch until the end.
A few moments later.
What is wrong with you, asshole? Why don't you learn to drive, asshole? What? Why don't you learn to drive? You. Off. You're a slow. Learn to drive. Try doing speed limit instead of slowing people down. I was at a red light. You bipolar hard.
Did he just have a collision with an invisible force here? Bad drivers never miss their exit. What were they doing parked like that on the highway? I wonder how much damage that snowplow could do to a car. Why do people turn 2 lanes at a time? Signal left to turn right. How bad would the damage be if a train hit a truck? This truck driver got an inch within the train. I bet those passengers must be even more scared.
The fuck you doing, you stupid motherfucker, man?
Was this driver trying to take a car out or something?
What the f was that, bro? Y'all wildin' right now. Do I really want to be behind this weirdo? What the f was that? What the f was that?
This driver blocked everyone off because he wanted to make a turn. Guess what the road rage incident was in the comment section below, because this was very confusing.
A few moments later.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.